Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the Nest. What we'll be doing is stuffing cash envelopes for the week. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. So let's first go to food. As you can see, I have nothing in food. We went to Sprouts pretty much a couple of days after our deposit. We spent the whole 80 at Sprouts. Got several things that were needed, including stocked up on, well, I won't say stocked up on vegetables and things, but I repurchased vegetables and my produce stuff, so because I really needed some of that. So gas, we of course have nothing in gas. We never do. Spent my $45, and I actually need to get gas today, which I'll probably do that after filming this video. Moving on to personal, I did not spend anything in personal. As you see, I deposited my $25, and then what I have left is my $25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we're just going to set that over to the side, and then I did need my pen because we're going to reconcile. So today is 9/3. In housing, I did do a couple of purchases in housing, literally a couple. So what you see here, I did get a newspaper on the 29th, just a Sunday paper for the coupons. I got one that brought me down to my $24, and then I went to CVS and picked up a couple of things for $8, and that left me with 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's $16 over there. So that is what we have left over. So in all, 16 plus 25, we have $41 left over from our cash envelopes for this past week, which is kind of about typically how we've been doing, because usually I always tend to have money left over from personal and housing because I don't tend to spend things on a week-to-week basis. But I always like to have, you know, something allotted for that, even if I don't plan to spend anything, because, you know, things do come up. All right, and then what I have here, this is actually going to be another sinking fund that I'm going to be adding, but I'm going to do this one in cash. So I'm just going to lump it in when I do my my weekly cash envelopes, only because I'm going to be adding to this one, this particular sinking fund weekly instead of bi-weekly, that how I do my other sinking funds. So that's the only reason why I have an envelope for this and why it's going to be put in this, you know, binder situation with my cash envelopes. So the sinking fund that I will be starting pretty much this month, I intended to start it last month. I honestly just forgot, to be honest, and that's a reason why I'm doing this weekly because I forgot to start the sinking fund in August. So I'm using the savings folder, well, the savings envelope, and what this sinking fund will be for, it will be for the Halloween party that we'll be having next month. And you will get to see how much I'm going to put towards that and all that good stuff in a little bit. So we're actually just going to stick this one right in the back here. We're going to start with food, and we're going to deposit our regular $80. Deposit 80, and that's going to bring us to our 80. So let's go ahead and pull out our 80. So I need 20, 40, 2 40s, and then I need 2 10s, and then I need like 5 5s. Is it 5 5s? Yeah. No, 4 5s. Yeah, 4 5s. Okay, so let's go ahead and count this up. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. All right, here we go with our 80. Get you on in there. All right, there we go. Food stuffed, ready to go. All right, gas. We are, of course, going to continue to do our 45. As you may remember, we went up from 40 to 45 because gas prices increased. So yeah, that's why we're doing 45. So we're gonna do the 2 20s and then the last 5, 20, 40, 45. All right, stuffing 45 for gas. There we go. All right, personal, we're gonna do our regular old 25 for personal. And we are actually moving to the next page for this. Well, we'll move to the next page next week, but essentially we're at the end of this particular page. So it's gonna be 25. That means we're gonna do 20, and then I need 5 ones. 5. All right, so let's make sure we got it together. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, 25 for personal. All right, personal. Housing, we're also gonna do 25, which is usual. And we're actually at the end of this sheet too. Oh, 95. And I'm gonna take 2 10s and then 5 1s. All right, that's gonna be 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. All right, here we go, our 25 for housing, ready to go. And as you may remember, or if I have any new viewers, I only stuff personal and housing once every 2 weeks, just because I've kind of got that budget down packed to where I don't really need to a lot amount each week, because I know exactly what I'm getting and my method for shopping for these items. Like I said, it's pretty down packed, so I'm good with the 25 every 2 weeks. Now we get to the new sinking fund, which I'm using the savings envelope, and what we'll be saving for, as I mentioned, is for our Halloween party. So what I'm going to put towards this each week, I'm not going to use one of the budget sheets. I'm just going to stuff the cash in here. What I'll be stuffing each and every week for this will be $15. So it's going to be 15, well, it's going to be 10 there, and then this should be the last of the ones. My money just flying around everywhere, y'all. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I will be stuffing this every, like I said, every week. So each week you get to see me stuff my cash envelopes, and you also get to see me stuff for this particular sinking fund. Alright guys, so that is it. That is our cash envelope stuffing for the week, as well as my new sinking fund, which, like I said, I will be doing that each week along with my cash envelopes. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks guys. Peace.